Sometimes people complain about creatine hurting their tummy and making their stomach ache. If that's you, listen to this. I'm gonna give you some tips that are gonna help fix that. A big reason oftentimes people have stomach problems whenever they're consuming creatine monohydrate is because they do the loading phase. That is not only not necessary, but it's also probably wasting your creatine. Supplement companies want you to consume more creatine, so you have to buy more. And the loading phase is unnecessary, and it's probably causing you to have those stomach problems because you're taking anywhere from 4 to 6 times the amount that you would be normally taking on a daily basis. Loading phase equals 20 to 30 grams a day. Normal day to day is 3 to 5 grams, much less. Another reason why it might be hurting your stomach is because you're not mixing it properly. Make sure that you're shaking it up. Shake it. That way not large chunks of creatine are hitting your stomach all at once. Speaking of mixing it right, a big problem with that is probably because you're not drinking enough water with it. Try to get 8 to 12 ounces of water with your creatine, so that way you can stay properly hydrated. If none of those tips work and creatine monohydrate's just not hitting it for you, try these other creatine sources. Yes, there's more than one type of creatine out there, and it's not just monohydrate. While yes, creatine monohydrate is the cheapest and most effective, try these other alternatives because they're pretty good too. They may be more expensive though, just as a heads up.
Shut up and take my money.
Micronized creatine is an option. Buffered creatine is an option. Creatine HCl, aka hydrochloride, is also an option, and then we've also got liquid creatine. The reasons why these might not mess your stomach up as much is because they're technically more ionic. Creatine is an incredibly beneficial supplement out there, and I don't want you to have to miss out on all the benefits that you could get because it may make your stomach hurt. Give this a try, share this video with somebody else who might need to hear it, and like and follow for more fitness, nutrition, and supplement tips.